Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian Mom Cooking. So let's see how to make mutton soup. So let's move on to the ingredients first. So you will be needing minimal ingredients. So I've taken a cup of bones of mutton, just a bones of mutton, and then a handful of small onions that are finely chopped, half a tomato that is finely chopped, coriander leaves, salt, cumin powder, pepper powder, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and few curry leaves. It's optional. So let's see how to cook them. So I'm going to cook the soup in the cooker. For that I've taken about a tablespoon of refined oil here. So to that I'm going to add a handful of small onions. The small onions gives you a lot of flavor to the soup and it's also healthy. And then followed by, so I'm just going to stir it for a minute or so. So always keep the flame on medium. And now to this I'm going to add a spoon of ginger garlic paste. So it's a homemade ginger garlic paste. It's a very easy recipe, gives you a lot of flavor. So if you want to know how to make ginger garlic paste, let me know in the comment section. I would like to do the recipe for you all. So I'm just going to add a spoon of ginger garlic paste. So this gives you a lot of flavor. So just keep on stirring for a minute or so. And again to this I'm going to add in half a tomato that are finely chopped. So this soup is really very easy and delicious and you should definitely give it a try and let me know in the comment section. And I'm going to stir this really well for a minute or so and I'm going to close this with the lid without a whistle. So before closing I'm going to add a few curry leaves. This is extremely optional. If you want you can add, but it gives you a lot of flavor. So I'm just going to close the lid without any whistle for just 2 minutes until they become softened. So after 2 minutes they become very soft. So now it's time to add in the powder masalas. So we are going to start off by adding a half a spoon of turmeric powder. So keep the flame on sim or low, and then followed by a spoon of pepper powder and then a spoon of cumin powder and then followed by a cup of mutton bones. So today I've just taken a cup of mutton bones. So usually I used to take only 3 to 4 pieces. That is enough to give you a lot of flavor to the soup. So today I'm going to make it for my family. So I've just taken a cup of bones of mutton. So this gives you a lot of flavor and it is very healthy. So stir it really well until the masalas gets into the pieces of mutton. I mean the bones of mutton. And at this stage I'm going to add in the required salt. So it is up to yours, you can add in the salt at this stage or after the soup is ready. So I'm just going to add in the required salt now and then followed by water. So it's up to your choice, you can add more water or less according to your wish. Now I'm going to add in about 2 cups of water. So this soup is really delicious and extremely healthy for your kids. So my kids usually they don't have curry or they don't add mutton curry to their rice because it will be so spicy for them. So I usually give them soup in the rice instead of mutton gravy or something. So I'm just going to add a few finely chopped coriander leaves at this stage. I'm going to close the lid and keep cook them for about 4 to 5 whistles on medium high flame. And that is all. Mutton soup is absolutely ready. Very easy to make and gives you a lot of flavor and it's extremely healthy for you, your family. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this recipe, do try it at home and mention in the comment section. I would like to read all your comments and This is quite easy, as like you can add chicken, fish, anything instead of mutton bones. And that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in my next video.